So next we're going to talk about your selection and direct selection tools. Those are the two icon tools that look like your actual cursor icon, okay? One is not filled in or is darker, and then the other one is gray and is filled in, okay? They look very similar, but they do very different things. So we're going to work with the selection tool first. So that is this tool right here, okay? You can see by the little icon that comes up. So what that does, it selects objects as a whole. So if I hover over an object, you'll see that box in the lower right-hand corner, okay? That means I can click on this shape, it highlights it, and now I can affect that shape. So a couple of things I can do with the selection tool is I can move it, and it's going to move as a group, okay, as the actual shape, sorry. I can individually change up the corners. Okay. Or these little circles in here, what you do is if you click and drag them, it'll start to make the corners curved, okay? And I'll show you its breaking point. Okay, red means that's as far as we can go. And then out there, and you can do that on any corner. Okay. The only thing you can't do is if you click a path, see how it has the box? It's telling you, I'm going to move this box as a whole. Okay. Now, let's say you're clicked on this and you want to actually change the color of this line over here. You have to click the line, and now you can adjust it. And you'll notice every time I click, it changes the control panel up here. So I can do different things with it. So if I have a line, if you go over the anchor points, you can click and drag them. Okay, move it as a whole. That's what that little symbol in the right-hand corner means. Okay, I forgot to show you on the rectangle. Let's say I click on it and I want to rotate it. If I go to the corner, I'm going to get a curved arrow that has two arrows on both sides. So I go to the corner, okay, and now I can rotate. So I'm just going to click and drag, and I can start to rotate this square. Okay, now, if I want to, I just wanted to see if I can do this. Put all this stuff up here. Let's say I want to select these three items here. What I could do is click on my first one. Remember, I have to go over there's no fill with these two, so I can't click the middle. See, there's no black box. But I can go over the path. I get the black box. I can click it. So let's say I want to select these three objects. If I hold down the Shift key while clicking on these three, now I've selected all three. Or with my selection tool, if I click and drag and make a box, okay, you see that dashed line? Anything that this dashed line touches or is within that box, it is going to grab and select. So watch, all three of these items are going to be selected. There they are. Okay, and now what I can do is move them. Oops, sorry. I have to go over that. Goodness gracious. Hover over, and now I can move them as a group. So let's say I'm like, no, I don't want those, and we'll put it over to the right. I will tell you, anything that is outside of this white box, when we save it correctly and click a little icon that says use artboards, we won't see this. So kind of think as the outside in this gray area is like a place to play. Okay? So now I can move all three. See, clicking and dragging. I can move all three of these up.